Yes, my people, yes, my people. Showing you a beautiful plant. We call it Spanish moss. But because I am living in the tropics, I call it Jamaican moss. Yes, Spanish moss. Now we call it old man beard also. Old man beard. This little section of it is the blossom section right there. And so it have that little for when it pull out it fly away just like the plant dandelion. And this is it right here. Very powerful, very powerful. And so this have a rich chlorophyll in it that we use for hemoglobin purpose and people who are anemic. Yes, people who are anemic, to transport that oxygen to all the cells in the body. We use it also for our queens who going into what they call menopause. And that menopause, it causes so much problem if you've been eating meat most of your life coming up to that era of your life. Where some people end up with a pancreatic cancer and end up with bleeding, pain, hot flashes, brain disturbance, all of those. We use this one for that. And also, this is very powerful against dead cells that they call cancer. Dead cells, yeah, that they call cancer. We use this one for that purpose. Also, you can boil this and drink it as a tea, one, or you can extract the chlorophyll from it and drink it. In either way, it work mighty powerful. But as we always say, it is not a quick fix, so y'all need to drink it for a long time. Won't do any harm. Noticing it is flying away when this section of it fly away, and then it end up on the light wire or on a tree, and it start to move again. God, this one it don't have a root system where it will go in the earth and then start to grow. This grow on trees are also on electrical wires in Jamaica. That's what I noticed. Yeah. So, but it is a powerful plant. It also is as a good blood tonic also because it have iron phosphate in it. It also have potassium phosphate that is good for the brain, and it have that minerals also that cleanses out toxins from the body. Urinary tract infection, yes, also work in the reproduction system. Also, this plant that we call name Spanish moss. It is a very, very effective and therapeutic plant. Yeah, powerful like that. In any way you want to use it, whether through the tea or through chlorophyll farm. I should think extracting this chlorophyll will do us a mighty full benefit. As you all know, the word chloro is green and the fill means to regenerate. So you have a regenerative plant here. That is something to look at, to look into. When you have a regenerative plant, that means your body can start to regenerate itself because of the properties that this plant actually has to offer. Yes, this also because of it calcium benefit also it aid within the bones. So like people with leukemia and those type of problem, yes, any form of blood disturbance. But as we say, this is just one plant, and there's so many more plants that will aid this plant if you put other plants to it and use to make sure that you get rid of any problem that you may have, in the health world. So people just drink this. I think in Louisiana, in the United States, what happened? There's a whole forest of it out there hanging from them tree, where people just usually drink, extract the chlorophyll and drink it, or just get it as tea also. But all over the United States it is, in England, and it's a lot in the tropic. The scientists they came the last time and they take a whole ton load of this and run a whole heap of research that they say they found so much medical benefit to reduce and destroy cancer cells and its growth in terms of tumor and fibroids and cysts and anything of that nature. But this is they call it the Spanish moss. We call it old man beard in Jamaica. Very, very, very potent and powerful plant in helping the body to reduce all type of sickness, all type of complaint. Yes, so check it out. That's the Spanish moss.